Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the Century Chase, Young Titans triumph in the Garden State Showdown. Today, the RRANJ Supernovas' decision to bat first set the tone for a day of youthful exuberance and cricketing finesse.
The plot thickens as the ICUSA Sons of Liberty enter the fray, their eyes set on dismantling the Supernovas' celestial ambitions in this pulsating under-13 cricket narrative.
Fans witnessed a script full of twists as Supernova blazed to 185, thanks to a robust top order. The Sons of Liberty, in response, crumbled under pressure, ending the chase 100 runs short.
Indeed, the pivot was the Supernovas' middle-order rally and disciplined bowling. For the Sons of Liberty, the chase was steep, the climb too arduous against a determined Supernova.
Supernova's innings were carousel of partnerships, with Ethan Davids 45 and Atharv Kharbandaz steadfast 32 not outstanding out amidst a disciplined Liberty bowling attack led by Wade Sinha.
The Sons of Liberty bowled with heart, especially Wade Sinha's economical spell, but Supernova's batsmen were resolute, navigating the field with strategic acumen that laid the foundation for a hefty total.
The chase was a skittish one from the get-go, Liberty stuttering and stumbling, no partnership taking root, and wickets tumbling like autumn leaves.
Ronit Rao with his economical spell and Ethan David with the golden touch ended Liberty's hopes swiftly, their superb bowling ensuring the climb for Liberty was beyond reach.
Ethan David's all-round prowess shone brightly today, his top-scoring knock coupled with a stingy session of bowling, capturing the soul of the match.
David starred on stage, but let us not overlook Wade Sinha's miserly spell or rose scalps. It's these moments of individual brilliance that turned the tide for Supernova.
Supernova beamed with pride, securing a century's margin win, a testament to their batting depth and bowling precision, factors that were central to their emphatic victory.
A match of potential future legends, with Supernovas 185 for 6 and Liberty bowled out for 85. These numbers will be etched in the annals of the New Jersey Hub cricket history.
As the dust settles on this encounter, it's the poise of Supernova's young titans that lingers. This triumph in the Garden State Showdown is not just a win, it's a statement for the matches to come.